Hello and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and notification icon now to never miss out on our new videos. Communication is a vital part of our daily lives. It's how we connect with others and convey our thoughts and ideas. But sometimes it can be difficult to get our message across effectively. That's why we've put together a few tips to help you improve your communication skills. Tip number 1, listen actively. Give the person speaking your full attention and show that you're engaged in the conversation by nodding and making eye contact. Tip number 2, speak clearly and avoid using jargon or complex language. This will help ensure that your message is understood by your audience. Tip number 3, be honest and transparent in your communication. This will help build trust and open lines of communication. Tip number 4, show empathy and understanding towards the person you're communicating with. This will help create a positive and productive conversation. Tip number 5, ask questions and seek feedback to ensure that your message was understood. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to becoming a better communicator. So, remember to listen actively, speak clearly, be honest, show empathy, and seek feedback. Good luck. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and click on the notification icon to never miss out on new videos. Follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. Thank you.